Bentley. Got this birthday stick. Wait. Hey, Vay. Ready? Whose birthday is it? One. Hey, Vay. Phew! That was a bad throw, Mama. Bentley, whose birthday is it? Is it yours? Is it your birthday? Did you get this as a toy? Give me this. Ah, Mama, eat it, he says. You eat it. Like a big cigar you got. Wait a minute. Ready? Look at that beautiful mush. He can't take it. Pew! Oh, what a bounce that was. Yeah, gorgeous. You're gorgeous and Mommy loves you so. Come on, sit on Mama. You know what to do. Come here. Right, Bentley? You want to sit under Mommy? You know you do. Yeah, come on. You know how to do it. Go on. Look. Go on. Yes, go on. Sit. Sit on Mama. Sit the tushy. Sit up. Sit down. Hey, babe. Hey, babe. That's my boy. Look, that's a happy boy. That's a happy Punim. Right? A happy birthday. Wonderful thing. Ay, Mama loves you so. What you think? Can I have a kiss? Bentley, you want to kiss Mama? Poop, poop, poop. Oh, man. Want to give Mama a kissy? Ay, babe. Say, happy birthday, Chuny! You going to get cake later? You want to go for a walk? Would you like to go for a walk? You know I'll take you. All right, let's go.